I'm Ash and I'll be showing you how to create stencil word art. To buy stencil art could be expensive, but to make them is cheap, easy and fun. For this project, you need a stretched canvas, spray paint and wooden letters, and you can get all of these at Bunnings. The first thing you need to work out is what your inspirational quote will say. I'm going to go with live your best life because who doesn't want to live their best life? Arrange the letters on your canvas. Pop some paper down and wear your dust mask because the spray paint will go everywhere. I'm using a black spray paint, but you can use whatever you like. Bunnings has a variety of colors from metallic, fluorescents and solids. You can spray your paint thick or lightly, it's up to you. I'm going with a light graffiti look for my art. Allow your spray paint to dry and remove the letters and your work is done. And now you can live your best life. This stencil art looks great. You can create your own inspirational quote which motivates you.